Hello friends, welcome to your channel Crypto Beginner. Let's discuss today about BitShiba. It's been a while we have not discussed BitShiba. So let's go and check out their Twitter handle, the new tweets, what have they given and what are the latest things which are going on. So first of all, they have rewritten and remodeled their white paper and it's now complete and done much better. So after this we will go to their white paper and check out what are the updates in their white paper. After this they have been on Bitmart. So we have bought and burned 250k out of 1 million so far. More buys and more burns coming in. A lot of exciting things coming our way in next few weeks. So they have done a poll earlier where they have asked the community that how much amount of BitShiba they should buy back and burn. So it was a $1 million. So after the poll was completed, they had an answer of $1 million. So in this tweet, they have told that they bought about $250,000, $250,000 BitShiba, and they have burnt it already. Now after which we move. So it was listed on Bitmart on April 12th. Now first thing they have on April 13th, they have announced their official NFT collection. Today we are officially announcing our plans for release our upcoming exclusive NFT collection. Our NFTs will give our community the chance to make a lot of money. Not only price of BitShiba NFT going up, but also on BitShiba token. So let's see what are the plans. Show this thread now. Second is we have came up with something that no other project has ever done in the past, which will build which will benefit our token and community massively. 100% of all sold NFTs will go towards buying and burning BitShiba. So yes, this community is doing things which was never done in the past. So what they'll be doing is whatever the amount of NFTs they'll be selling means if they would have sold of 10 million or 10 billion or whatever the amount is, they'll be using that amount in buying the BitShiba and burning it. So it means if we sell out 10 million worth of NFTs, we will buy BitShiba with $10 million. The same way we are doing currently for the buyback and burn, but on a much bigger global scale. This will guarantee our price to reach more than $1 billion in market cap easily if we manage to sell out our entire collection. This also means that if you get a BitShiba NFT, it will be equivalent to buying our NFT plus BitShiba token at the same time and the same price. We will be spending a lot on advertising our collection to make sure the launch is success. Be ready, BitShiba is coming worldwide. We have already seen they do a great marketing with the Doge Millionaire. They have posted a video on YouTube. He reviewed the token. So their marketing will be good and the NFT collection as well. So we can give it a try. And BitShiba will be Shiba Inu. Now they have provided the addresses so far till 15th April. So far, approximately 425,000 worth of BitShiba was bought back and burnt as part of our buyback burn program, which will continue until all $1 million isn't used up. So they have provided the addresses of buying back and burning. And now this was the famous tweet which was done on December 26th that they'll be giving $1,000 to 100 subscribers of BetShiba when they reach 100k holders. So that this was the biggest giveaway ever. So let's now move to white paper, after which we will see how many holders do they have on BSC scan or on the coin market cap. We will check out the prices as of today. So first of all, let's go to white paper. And in white paper also, let's directly move to tokenomics, which interests us, means to the coin holders or to the new holders who want to join the community. Token name BitShiba, token symbol is Shiba, total supply is this much, out of which transaction fee 50% added to liquidity pool locked forever till 2099. They have locked their 50% of tokens, and 50%, which is 500 trillion token, were already burnt. So there is zero team tokens, that the team, the development team or the moderators or anyone, they don't hold any bit Shiba token. What they do is, if they want the tokens, they buy it from the market and they hold it. And another thing is, there was no private sale, it was launched in the public sale only. And now let's move to features. BitShiba NFT collection and DAO. BitShiba is an open source community cryptocurrency project. It's featuring decentralized and distributed governance. BitShiba is more than a common digital currency. It is backed up by an entire community of dedicated individuals and social influencers. BitShiba's goal is to create strongest possible community of individuals who all share the same philosophy of change. Through the transparency and empowerment, we are shining and expanding light on the darkening centralized system. BitShiba aims to change this by providing a platform that will provide an opportunity for its holder to contribute and participate in project discussions through voting and adding real utilities into its ecosystem. So we have seen how the voting system is working, and the community has voted, and they have started buying back and burning the tokens of $1 million. So yes, it is a community driven project where the community is voting what should be done and how it should be done. Now, in addition to launch Shiba token, in addition to launch Shiba token, so in addition to launching Shiba token on BSC network, the team will also be releasing multiple project add-ons according to the crypto trends to scale BitShiba's ecosystem. So yes, we have seen they are launching NFT collections. Now another thing is, the BitShiba community controls BitShiba and ecosystem's financial risks until a scientific governance structure that includes executive voting and governance polling. So yeah, they are doing the polls on the Twitter, even on their telegrams and other things. The BitShiba community controls BitShiba and the ecosystem's financial risks using a scientific governance structure that includes governance polling that we have gone through. Now, this ensures ecosystem stability, transparency, and efficiency. Now, what is the voting weight? The voting weight of a voter and BitShiba is proportionate to the amount of BitShiba token he or she holds. So, in other words, the higher voter's decision making power, the more BitShiba token he or she holds. So, suppose I have 100 BitShiba token and you have 1000 BitShiba token. This, so your decision making capability will be more than me if you have voted as no and I have voted as yes. So it will be considered as no because you have a more BitShiba token and your decision making weight is more than the vote. Your vote weighs more than mine. So now let's move ahead and check. Non-fungible token are also known as digital art ownership tokens, unchangeable tokens. A tweet, a painting, a picture, a memory, a GIF, a trading card with its ownership represents block. So our team is excited to introduce BitShiba NFTs, a groundbreaking NFT collection created by diverse group of well-skilled individuals from around the globe with one goal in mind, empowering and enriching you, the Shiba holders. Unlike other NFT collections, the BitShiba NFT collection will be used primarily to build up the BitShiba ecosystem and support its native Shiba token. So the collection was made in by keeping in mind that they have to build an ecosystem for BitShiba. On our expedition to become the best NFT creators in the known universe, we will operate with integrity, transparency, and respect all community decisions in regards to the future. BitShiba NFTs will host a variety of utilities that will recognize individuals' notoriety and status on blockchain, as well as offer a selection of super rare iteration of Avid collectors. Now, BitShiba is going to launch its NFTs on Binance Smart Chain. It will be launched on BSC, a very low fee but highly malleable blockchain, the same blockchain on which Shiba token was launched. So, BSC is the blockchain where Shiba was launched, and now they are launching the NFT on BSC itself. Each Beat Shiba NFT represents a combination of unique characteristics based on the main Beat Shiba mascot. Every NFT will be unique with a special combinations of characteristics only limited to that NFT. The holders of BitShiba and BitShiba NFT will earn multiple benefits from this endeavor. BitShiba's NFT will be developed keeping in the end users as a priority one. The true purpose of blockchain and its use case is to provide more control and benefit to the end user. So that exactly what BitShiba NFTs will do, we aim to deliver one of the most utilized collections ever launched by project of our size. Now let's see what's the roadmap. Fair launch, it's done. DEX listings, done. Liquidity, locked. Access token burn, done. CX listing and partnerships, ongoing and coming. More on the way. Coin market cap, CoinGecko listing done. Satic audit done. Buyback and burns, they are ongoing. Social and influencer marketing, they have already started. Now next gen NFT they will launch, after which DAO development, blockchain expansion, and top 50 market cap. That's what the roadmap is. So stay tuned for further informations on BitShiba. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe the channel for regular information on cryptocurrencies and how to buy and sell new cryptos. Thank you.